Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mini Rogue. First, let's get started with the setup. You'll begin by placing the dungeon board, ensuring the starting room and objective room are correctly positioned. Next, select one of 8 unique characters, each offering distinct abilities and playstyles. Place your chosen character token on the starting room space. Finally, collect your character's starting equipment and a small amount of gold, typically 5 gold pieces, to prepare for your adventure. The core of Mini Rogue involves exploring the dungeon. Each turn, you'll reveal a new room tile and immediately resolve its unique event. These events can range from challenging combat encounters against various monsters to disarming dangerous traps, discovering valuable treasure, or facing mysterious, unpredictable situations. Combat is dice-based, requiring strategic rolls to hit foes and defend yourself. Successfully overcoming these challenges grants you experience points and useful loot, essential for survival. As you delve deeper, upgrading your rogue is crucial. You'll spend earned experience points to enhance your character's core attributes, such as health, attack power, defense, and perception. These improvements directly impact your chances of survival. Additionally, you can acquire new equipment and powerful artifacts from dungeon shops or as rewards from events. Remember to manage your inventory wisely, as you can only carry a maximum of 6 items at any given time, making every choice important. Your ultimate goal in Mini Rogue is to reach the objective room, located at the very end of the dungeon path. Once there, you must confront and defeat the formidable boss monster guarding the final objective. Along your journey, collecting enough blood points will unlock powerful special abilities, giving you an edge. Successfully navigating all the dungeon's challenges and defeating the final boss will lead you to a triumphant victory, proving your rogue's prowess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.